In this video, I'll guide you through the process of closing the Revolut account, step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. You can also sign up for a free Revolut account using the affiliate link in the description below. You might want to close a Revolut account if you're no longer using the service or if you're dissatisfied with the fees or features. Additionally, you may choose to close it for security concerns or to simplify your finances. To close your Revolut account, begin by opening the Revolut app on your mobile phone and logging into your account. On the home page, look for the profile icon in the top left corner and tap on it to access your account settings. This will direct you to the account page, where you can manage various settings related to your profile. In this section, scroll down until you find the option labeled Close Account and select it. After selecting Close Account, you will be taken to a confirmation page. Here, you will see two options: Keep Account Open and Close Account. To proceed with closing your account, tap on Close Account. This final action will initiate the process of permanently closing your Revolut account. Before completing this, ensure that you have no outstanding balances or pending transactions, as these could prevent the closure of your account. Once you confirm, your Revolut account will be officially closed. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Also, don't forget that you can sign up for a free Revolut account using my affiliate link in the description. Thanks for watching.